Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 189 star drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Rare.
Start another rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
To another rare. 25 power points again.
Rare.
Another rare of 100 XP doublers. For our daily freebies here. We have 10 power points. And 60 XP doublers. And roughly about 2.5 weeks left of the season. I've finished the Brawl Pass. So the most significant thing I'll mention is there's a pretty drastic jump from 950 XP per tier to 1600 to get an additional star drop. So I wanted to mention that I'm pretty sure behind this 100 credits here, again I'm trying not to claim until the end of the season, is one of the Paulette skins, so I can't even get that until the season is over. I mean, I could, but I don't want to, with being this blonde-haired version here. So, I want to try to determine... I mean, I'm pretty sure there's enough quest XP here to get at least a star drop a day, probably a bit more, especially with XP from battles. So I could probably rack up at least an additional 18 star drops, I'm thinking. And this is the last day of the Mega Pig, so make sure to get that in if you guys haven't already. And I'm hoping our club by the end of the day will finally have a full Mega Pig with the new change from 18 tickets to 15. But I don't believe much has changed since yesterday. Again, we have the Toon Spike skin in the shop if you guys wanted that. But as of today, I have 2080 XP doublers and 19,636 power points. So again, I'm trying to focus on getting the Miko Mastery title before I have to head back to the next semester of college, but other than that guys, let's see how far I can take this.